Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to do dodge and burn using curves in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the New Adjustment Layer button and select Curves. Drag the curves line up to the point where you would feel like that's the maximum you would want to brighten the image. I'm going to change the name of this layer to Dodge. Now create another curves adjustment layer. This time, drag the curves line down to the point where you would feel like that's the maximum you would want to darken the image. Rename this layer to Burn. Invert the layer mask for both the curves layers by using the Control or Command I shortcut. Click on the Dodge layer mask and make sure the foreground color is set to white. Use a soft round brush with 0% hardness and the flow set to 5% to paint over the areas that you would like to brighten. Use the square bracket keys to increase or decrease the size of the brush and feel free to make multiple passes. Now click on the layer mask thumbnail for burn and paint over the areas that you would like to darken. Make sure to check in with your original image frequently to ensure you're on the right track. To darken the background, I'm going to create one more curves adjustment layer and drag the curves line down to your liking. Just like before, use the Command or Control I shortcut to invert the layer mask. Now use the brush tool to paint over the background. Finally, I'm going to create one more layer to enhance the eyes. Change the blend mode for this layer to color dodge. Next, click on FX and choose blending options. Uncheck the transparency shapes layer checkbox, which is telling Photoshop to not use transparency as a boundary. Now paint over the colored area around the pupil, which will make the colors pop out a bit. Use the opacity slider to adjust the intensity of the eye colors as necessary. Let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.